Bless you, Nate. I'm glad that I finally managed to catch your yell on camera. How you doing? Are you feeling happier now? Yeah? You seem like you might be happier. Perhaps you're sleepy. You were up a long time. Yeah. There goes your sister sneezing and yelling. I love that you taught her how to do that. You look very worried. What are you worried about? What are you worried about? Can you give everybody a nice smile? No. No, you can't smile for us. Bless you. You're really cute, Nate. Yes, you are, bud. Yeah. That was almost a smile. I don't know what your sister's doing over there, but she's having a great time. Yeah, looking right at the camera, showing everybody your beautiful blue eyes. Yeah, you gonna talk for us? Yeah. Such a good boy you are. Such a good boy you are. Yes, you are, Nate. Yes, Julia, you're a good girl too.